Alright, so welcome to my website for my final project for the digital communications module. For my website, I chose to choose the research topic, social media as a news platform. And this is just my homepage, with my little thesis statement there. Let's move on to the first page. For this page, I chose to focus on the core idea of how social media is actually changing the news and how we view it. So, its effect on traditional media. So recently we've seen a decline in traditional media and its use. We're more focused on obtaining our news and our information from online sources such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Reddit, things like that. And I want to also focus on why traditional media sort of lost its popularity in recent years. And this is where I kind of touch on that and how it's more focused on getting revenue and clicks than actually connecting with people, which is why social media as a news platform is getting more popular, because more people can discuss and give their points of views and actually get some feedback on what's actually going on. Moving on, let's go to how social media trends affect the news. So, social media is one of those things that has become quite popular in the past few years. So I chose to focus on how those trends and how those trends affect the news we see, and how they can help bring to light certain events, but also at the same time have a negative effect on the news through things like hashtags and stuff like that. Moving on, I chose to focus on reliability of news on social media, because one of the big things about social media as a news platform these days is the large influx of fake news that we see. And it's kind of hard to differentiate between the two, between genuine news and fake news. So in this, I just touch on some tests done in America to determine how people choose which news sources are accurate and which aren't. And it's largely focused on who they believe to be genuine. It's usually their friends, who they trust more than the actual news sites. And then I look at further at how damaging fake news can actually be once it starts spreading around. And there's a good TED talk here on how effective it can be in spreading lies and rumors. And then there's my bibliography here, all my sites and sources and some annotations that I've used to make this website. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy.